Hello, guys. Just wanted to, chime in and show you what I have going on. This has been a year in the making. 5 months it took to rehab this property, and um, this is the house I grew up in. Or it's been in my family for a long time. It was one of my great aunts. But we regutted the whole entire thing. It's a 101-year-old house, and that's me and my wife and my little kids with me when we did this. It's a lot of work. I'll show you. I'll do a little mashup of what it looked like before. I'm not gonna go through the whole entire house, but yeah, it's finally rented. I spent so much time in here doing everything piece by piece by piece. Everything, the basement, it's not like, you see it all nice and cute, cuddly, like, what is it, like a lot of the flipping shows. Anybody that's done it knows. But, yeah, redid the porch, all brand new. A lot of memories. A lot of memories. This is it's one of the blocks I grew up on. This is down in Southwest Detroit. It's where I grew up playing when I was a kid. And, I got a lot of stories. A lot of stories behind everything that happened here. Good, bad. And Detroit's came a long ways. That's one thing I could say. So this is it. Somebody moves in here starting Friday. It's official. So I'm gonna break down a little bit more in detail how we did all of this step by step, and how we're using it to begin our journey in creating more passive income for ourselves, to gain the financial leverage that we would need to get ahead in today's society and as fast as it moves. I hope to share a lot of these tips with you guys. If you don't already know them, I'm gonna give you the scoop, because if we can do it with 3 babies, 5 years old and younger, it can be done. We had everything working against us. We had financial debt, taxes beyond it, which is a whole different story. I'll break all that down, but we came up with our financial plan. We stuck with it. We also changed course. We ran things in parallel, just to see which one panned out, almost like an A/B test, if you guys don't know what that is. But I'm going to break this stuff down. I'm not claiming to be a know-it-all, but I'm going to tell you the way we did it and what I've learned along the way. Because if there's any type of drive in my heart, it's for my family. Because I could let myself down, but I definitely won't let my family down. And I'm sure you won't either if you have a family, or if you just want to sit there and be able to get ahead. I'm going to give you guys some advice and show you what I did and what I'm working on. And you guys can sort of watch it unfold as it happens. And I'll give you some more of this backstory, because there's a lot of things that happen down here in Detroit. Things really do change. And I'm glad Detroit's changing for the better. But I'll stay tuned, and if you like what you see, give me a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. I'll break down some more of what's going on and give you some more advice.